Hello everyone, welcome to these exciting Art House Urban Bright Arts and Education videos. Art House's mission is to inspire exploration and expression in the visual arts. We work with professional artists who will be instructing you on some amazing arts and crafts projects. Are you ready?
Happy July 4th from Art House. My name is Megan Frabel and I am a summer intern here, and today I thought it would be kind of fun just to make a really fun little painting of fireworks, since a lot of people are not going to be able to see fireworks this year. Not a lot of places are doing them due to COVID. So I'm going to start by making our sky. So I'm going to use blue and red to make a purple. You want to have a dark sky for this one because you want your fireworks to stand out. Some of these other brushes to mix the color. Some of my paint's a little rougher than it has been. It takes a little bit more for it to mix. I have a nice little dark purple here. And I think I want to make a darker blue. Oops, as I get water all over my paper. This blue is like a nice color, but it's a little too light for what I want. But you're going to want more. I'm just going to use it all. You're painting a pretty decent portion of the page. I'm kind of winging this one too. Like I didn't do any prep for this. I just thought it would be fun to do a quick little 4th of July painting. It might be even too much black, but I kind of want to go for like a navy here. That's a nice color. I almost want to see if I can make another one that's a little bit darker too. So like use that one and build up with like a little bit of a darker one. This might just end up looking way too black. But you know. If you hear any crazy noises, I do have 2 baby kittens hanging out in my room right now. They're kind of calling the shots right now. Yeah, see, there you go. You can hear the cat toys. So yeah, that's even a little bit darker. Should be a nice colors to build in there. The thing about skies and gouache is a little different though, to like blend colors than it is with like a watercolor where you just let it do its own thing. But we're gonna see how it turns out. I have not done this before. Okay, I think we'll just get started. Just gonna start painting the sky. This is going to be when I kind of vary up the colors as I go. So like it's not consistently going to be one shade, just to give it a little more color so it's not just black with the fireworks. dry, and so we can see what that looks like. So I let it dry as much as I could, but I actually went over a little bit in order to make it a little more clean looking. It's still drying a little bit, but I actually wanted to add in a little bit of like some like tops of trees at the bottom, that so like if you're looking up into the sky, you can see the fireworks, but you know, there's still like trees and stuff like in the way, but like not blocking it, if that makes sense. Using like a much smaller like precision brush for these designs. And now that the sky is nice and dry, it should be easier. And we might actually want to put white in these too. I just want to see how this turns out first. So if we make one of the ones that kind of goes like all around. Yeah, it sounds like you want white for that to stand out against that purple. To do one of those fireworks that really build out from like a center point. So that's kind of what I'm working on right now. Okay, so off camera I was trying to make it seem like there was more light behind the fireworks, so I actually put white paint down and blotted it, and then I repainted my fireworks. And so I'm going to try that with our next firework. So I think I kind of want it to be a little bit lower. So I'm going to say like this area needs to be a little bit lighter. So I'm going to add a little more water, and then we're going to blot it. And so this next firework, I think I'm going to make it blue. So we have the red, white, and the blue in the sky. Just trying to clean up its edges. And we're going to go back to our precision brush. And I need to get a little more blue paint. And we're going to need to make it bright enough to stand out. That little whiteness in the background too kind of emulates the smoke that comes when you light off fireworks. So I'm going to make this one a little more spiral shaped. So it builds out. The nice thing with fireworks is you can make them as complex as you want them to. So yeah, you can add as many fireworks as you'd like in this piece, but I feel like for me that's a good amount. You can always add stars too, and I think I'm going to do this in a little bit of an unconventional way. I'm going to splatter brush it, so I'm going to get lots of white paint on my brush. I'm going to dab it a little bit so it's not too much. And I'm just going to add just a little bit of sparkle to that sky. Kind of adds to the fireworks too. Okay, that looks good. And at this point we can just touch up our trees, and I think we can say that this piece is all done. Okay, so we should be all finished, and I am going to take off the tape on the edges. That should be all. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to Art House in order to see more instructional videos. Thank you very much and have a good holiday weekend.
Thank you for listening to Art House's video today. Don't forget to like, share, and comment with what you've made. Tune in to another instruction video on our Facebook, Instagram, and our YouTube page. We are grateful to our funders and individual donors who have made this programming possible. We also wish to thank Lil Blizzard Boy from Refresh Collective for our background music. See you soon!